The LG V20 user here. Today I'm doing a video on the iPhone XS with Virgin Mobile Gas. So the iPhone XS is now here at Virgin Mobile Gas. So the newest iPhone is here. So if you guys want an iPhone Virgin Mobile, it is here right here. It's available in 3 colors. Virgin Mobile has the straight storage options: 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, or 512 gigabytes. It's currently out of stock right now. So do keep that in mind. So it's kind of crazy that it's already out of stock, but it is what it is, guys. So there's the front of the phone right there. You know, you guys know what the phone looks like. You have your volume buttons on the left, your sound key on the top of that, power button on the right side, and whatnot. There's front and back of the phone. You know, dual cameras on back and whatnot. That's back to the iPhone XS. Dual cameras, Apple logo, iPhone logo, and whatnot. So there, it's available in 3 colors. You have gold, silver, or gold, gray, or silver. So gold, space gray, or silver. The 64 gigabyte iPhone XS is that's $999. The 256 gigabyte version was $1149, and the 512 gigabyte version was $1349. Guys, alright. So they do keep that in mind, and it's kind of out of stock. That all the storage items are kind of out of stock, which is interesting in my opinion. Device overview. iPhone XS features a 5.8-inch Super Retina display with custom OLED panels for an HDR display that provides the industry best color accuracy, true blacks, and remarkable brightness. Advanced Face ID lets you securely unlock your iPhone, log into apps, and pay with just a glance. The A12 Bionic chip with next generation neutral engine uses real-time machine learning to transform the way you experience photos, gaming, augmented reality, and more. A breakthrough 12-megapixel dual camera system takes your portrait to the next level with portrait mode. Portrait lighting enhances bokeh, and all-new depth control, water resistance, in iOS 12. The most advanced mobile operating system with powerful new tools that make iPhone more personal than ever. Alright, and of course you guys can only get 1 iPhone per customer per order. You guys can get 1 iPhone per order. Promotional pricing available only for select phones. Alright, blah blah blah. Otherwise, buy your phone, wait for it to arrive, pick a new contract plan, activate it, and keep it normal, get a new one. Alright. So they've definitely changed this thing around. Specs on the iPhone XS weighs 6.24 ounces, talk time 21 hours. Processor A12 Bionic chip with next generation digital engine, iOS 12 of course, 5.8-inch Super Retina custom OLED display. Dimensions there is 5.65 inches height, 2.79 inches width, and 0.30 inches on the depth. It has Bluetooth 5.0. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. I'm not sure what the battery size is on that. So it would actually take me to this page right here. So if you guys want to check out the full specs on the iPhone, you guys can do that. Specs, I already went through that. Key features: 5.8-inch Super Retina display OLED with HDR, IP68 dust and water resistance, maximum depth of 2 meters for up to 30 minutes, 12-megapixel dual cameras with dual optical image stabilization, and 7-megapixel true depth front camera, portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR. Face ID for secure authentication and Apple Pay. A12 Bionic with next generation neutral engine. Wireless charging and works with Q chargers. iOS 12 with Emoji, screen time, Siri shortcuts, and FaceTime. Alright. What's in the box is y'all guys get all the iPhone stuff, you know. So you get all the standard iPhone, so you guys get the iPhone XS with iOS 12, AirPods with Lightning connector, Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, Lightning to USB power adapter, and documentation. If you guys need help with your iPhone XS, device support is here to help you with that. So click there and you guys can check out the device support. And Virgin Mobile has got you covered with phone insurance. Whether you are drop prone or just want peace of mind, you can protect your new phone from damage, loss, or theft for just $7 a month. Pre-loved and certified pre-loved phones are not eligible for insurance. So yeah, there it is, guys. The iPhone XS now available at Virgin Mobile. They have all the three storage options available in 3 colors. So it's currently out of stock right now. Hopefully that will not be for long. So yeah, that's all pretty much it there, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.